Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. So this next video is on the balance between intellect and intuition. Now, to grasp and understand Buddhism, Hermetics, Qigong, we need to switch the intellect off, and this is for a very important reason. When you're thinking about something, the act of thinking pulls your energy into a very small space. It pulls your mind into a very small space, which is occupied by the intellectual process. When the mind is in a small space, there's a type of stress there which breaks equanimity. In order to enter into equanimity, to train in any type of energy work, we need an open space. We need to relax, release, and create a large mental space. When we're in a large mental space, the intuition can function. When we're in a small mental space, the intellect tends to function. So the way of relaxing, letting go, and occupying more space is a foundation of developing your intuition. So this relationship between the intellect and the intuition, where you get the intellect to sit still, you relax and release the stress in the thinking process and occupy more space. This allows your intuitive mind to begin to function and for you to enter into a spiritual path and develop spiritual teachings with a type of insight that accompanies that expanded space. Now, when we look at samadhi and the act of concentration, samadhi is accompanied by equanimity. Equanimity generates that openness of space, and this results in insight. So insight is the understanding of the Dharma, understanding of Hermetics, understanding universal laws and how they function. There's an intuitive knowing about all metaphysical processes that's built into our divinity. The microcosm is vibrational match to the macrocosm. And this can only be understood by releasing space and keeping an openness so that intuition can function and that you can get a grasp on spiritual teachings through direct insight. Okay, thank you for your time. See you in the next video.